All right, what we about to do? We have the gold. What is that from? We got some from dog food. It's all organic, so everything in here is made from actual real people food. So nothing in here is dog or anything. Some weird.
No dogs were harmed during the filming of this video.
And we're trying to figure out why the dogs love it so much. And so we've already tried it, but we want our daughter to try it. So she's always trying to do challenges anyway.
Always doing the video challenges.
We're going to ask her to try one. So this is her first time. She said, I don't want to eat dog food. So we're going to try to get her to eat it. You got to try it. You got to chew it though. 1, 2, 3. Chew. Chew it. This is what dogs got to eat.
Oh my God.
You didn't even chew it yet.
You are so extra.
Is it nasty? What does it taste like?
It tastes like this jacket.
Girl, go chew it. What?
She being extra.
Look, the dog's going crazy. Did you swallow it? If you swallow it, you get some candy.
Girl, go spit it out. Go spit it out. Bye.
It's coming.
Go spit it out.
You gotta swallow it. You gotta swallow it to win. You gotta do it.
I'm not cleaning it.
I did it. That was nasty. That was nasty.
All right, go wash your mouth out. Go get you a juice. Go get you a juice.
That was nasty.
She said, I did it. I did it.
Fear factor.
They really just taste like fucking grain. Like, they don't really taste...
This is YouTube. Okay, we trying to get kid views. You over here cussing.
Wow.